This is a demo for the new Google Chrome extension feature that we added to Mistake to Mastery. So as you can see, there's a little icon in the top right of your browser. And once you click it, you have to sign into your account. And once you're signed in, there is the option to either import mistakes from text, as you see here. We just highlight what we want uploaded and then we click send to Mistake to Mastery. All the text shows up right there. We fill out the prompt, and as you can see, it says sent for processing. So we can go back to the tool and refresh the page, and our new drill is here. So I'm just gonna put a random answer in, choose a random grade. But yeah, so essentially the idea of this is it makes it easier to upload mistakes directly from the practice problem platforms that you're using. And so this is the screenshot option where you will kind of just drag over which area of the screen you want to submit, and it will auto fill in the words. So as you can see, we just submitted that, it's sent for processing, and the drill is here. And it successfully generated us a different type of drill based on that question we got wrong. So I'm going to click something random again. But so yeah, a lot of you guys wanted this feature, and then some other people were asking for a bulk upload route. This also functions as a bulk upload route. As you can see, it makes it super fast to upload mistakes. I'm going to submit this one right here. We don't even have to go to the tool. We can just immediately go to another practice question and then snip from the page again. And so yeah, this is 2 mistakes that we just added extremely fast. And then after this is uploaded, we'll go back to the tool again to check if the new drills are there. And they are. So 2 new drills based off of those. So you could upload like 10 at once. It's just a new route of adding mistakes as opposed to this page that you guys know already.